In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. We'll walk through a simple example so you can see exactly how each formula works and when to use it. These two functions are helpful when you need Excel to search for a value in a table and return related information from that same data range. To begin, open the workbook where you want to work with these lookup formulas. In this example, the sample data is already prepared. The data for the VLOOKUP example is placed in cells A1 through C5, and the data for the HLOOKUP example is placed in cells A9 through E11. Having the data organized clearly is important because both formulas rely on structured tables to return the correct result. Let's start with VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is used when your lookup value is arranged vertically, meaning Excel will search down the first column of a table. First, click cell A7 and type 103. This will be the value Excel uses to search the table. Next, click cell B7 and enter the formula equals VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, A7, comma, A2 colon C5, comma, 2, comma, false, close parenthesis, then press enter. This formula tells Excel to look for the value in cell A7 within the first column of the range A2 to C5. Once it finds a match, it returns the value from the second column of that same row. The word false is important here because it tells Excel to look for an exact match rather than an approximate one. After pressing enter, you'll see the result appear in cell B7. At that point, Excel has searched the first column of the selected table and returned the matching value from the specified column. Now let's move on to HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP works in a similar way, but instead of searching vertically down a column, it searches horizontally across the first row of a table. Click cell A13 and type 103. This will be the lookup value for the horizontal search. Then click cell B13 and type equals HLOOKUP, open parenthesis, A13, comma, B9 colon E11, comma, 2, comma, false, close parenthesis. Press enter. Here, Excel searches the first row of the range B9 to E11 for the value in A13. When it finds a match, it returns the corresponding value from the second row of that table. Just like before, false ensures that the match must be exact. Once you press enter, the result appears in cell B13. And that's it. You've now applied both VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP in Excel using simple, easy to follow formulas.